went from ballin' at the park to ballin' out for real.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today is going to be a nice short video, but as always, if you are new, go down, hit that red subscribe button. We are 5 subscribers away from the next mystery box giveaway, so go tell a friend. Get to 1,100 subscribers. Alright, so like I said, today's going to be a short video. I'm going to teach you guys how to make the quickest, the easiest, I don't know any other words to describe this, but the easiest $5 of your life. So the first thing you guys got to do to make this easy $5 is fill up 1 cup of water. Next, go find one of your parents, one of your friends, anyone with money, and hit them with this. Want to make a quick bet?
What's that?
See this cup of water?
Yeah.
I could make this cup go upside down without spilling a drop. I'll bet you $5. And I'll put it back down. You want to take the bet? $5. Make that cup go upside down.
Without spilling a drop.
Without spilling a drop.
For $5.
$5.
A Finn.
A Lincoln.
A Lincoln.
You down?
Yeah. I'll go for the sake of doing this.
All right, ready?
Oh, and I don't get wet.
No.
Because I've got a friggin' hose in my hand.
Yeah. All right, ready? Up, side, down.
I have to go to the bank.
You don't got 5 on you?
Diablo's a little short of cash right now. Diablo doesn't carry cash. Okay?
For a haircut?
Diablo haircut. Diablo.
Guys, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for me. Like I mentioned earlier, only 5 more subscribers until the next giveaway. So, until next time, peace.
Yeah. If you still stay by me, we can find the right timing.